Hey, this is Greg with Fittipaldi Off-Road. We're here today with our FB Beadlock Series of wheels. We build this wheel in 3 different models. We do an FB 150, FB 151, and FB 152. Plus we do these wheels in multiple finishes. We do your classic black, we do the gorgeous silver, plus we do a red tinted finish, which turns out incredible. So all these come in 17x9s. I'm going to go through and show you the unboxing process. As soon as you actually remove this wheel from the box, you'll see how it comes here with a beautiful bonnet on it. Take the bonnet off the cover, then you'll see this little foam sheet. You'll remove that, and then you got the foam ring, just to make sure there's no damage at all to this beautiful forged beadlock ring lip. Then you also see in the bottom of the box, you'll have the hardware kit. We'll have all the bolts and the washers in it. And then on the face between the beadlock ring and the face of the wheel, you'll see the instruction sheet on mounting the beadlock. We just want to show you a couple more details with the wheel here itself. The wheel actually comes with this forged beadlock ring with a beautiful milling inside the openings plus the drainage holes. We even do the knurling on the back side with outer bead goes to make sure that there's enough bite. And then on the wheel itself, we do a diamond cross stitching in it to make sure that there's maximum bead bite so there's no slippage. Any more details on this wheel? Go to fittipaldioffroad.com.